What is going on, everyone? It's your boy Ernest Mampana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around on this channel. On this video today, we're going to look at GBPUSD, USDCHF, gold, and also CADJPY. Without wasting much of your time, let us get straight into it.
Okay, bad guy, but I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in marble hall is like a movie. I knew it and I did it.
Thank you so much for choosing this video, and once again, if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Already on my screen right now, you can see I already have CADJPY opened. I already did my analysis, but for the sake of this video, we're going to start from the beginning. As always, I would switch to a daily time frame, and let me just delete whatever that is happening here so that we can follow along. Okay, so we can see that the market has been bullish for a very long time. I think from last year we've been going up, so we just have to analyze from here. So I'm going to mark this area, and I'm also going to mark this area right here. So we can see that the market is forming some sort of contracting channel. You can see that it's losing momentum right here, so there are more possibilities in future for that massive move to the downside. Otherwise, this is what we have right now. So I can still also let's see what else can we do on this one. Okay, let me not put a lot of things right now. So let's check on a 4-hour time frame. Cool. So on a 4-hour time frame, we have something like this. So I can mark this area right here because I see that the market has been respecting this area quite a multiple time. So I can mark that area. So with that area marked, we can see that we have this move here, we have a move here, we have this one right here, we have this one right here. So it is confirmed that this is a very sensitive area. The market tends to change direction whenever it hits to this area right there. So now let's look at what else we can do. This is what I have on an hour time frame. If I were to delete this, you would see that the market gave us a double bottom right here, and it also broke this area, which now I'm expecting that the market might come back down here and then continue with its move to the upside. And if that's not the case, then let's do this. We might have a move to this area again to come and test at these areas once again, and then we continue going up. So this is what I'll be waiting for. I'm actually going to wait up until I see the market rejecting at this level or at this area right here. So this is the first area where I'm expecting the market to reject, and if it doesn't reject on that area, I'm also going to expect again on this area before we can get in. So now let's say the market does reject here, which means that this one right here would be our entry somewhere there, and our stop loss would be just below here. Now my target will be at these areas as well. But if the market doesn't reject on that area, I'm expecting the market to reject around here. My entry would be here, and my stop loss will be here. So we're going to have this move to the upside like that. So overall, I'm waiting for moves to the upside. Should the market not reject on this area, then something like this is most likely to happen. Something like this up until that area as well. So but for now, I'll be waiting for those moves to the upside. On the screen right now, I have gold. So as always, you know, I start on a bigger time frame. So I'll just do my analysis. So we can see that gold is currently gaining momentum to the upside again. Since from July, we've been experiencing this move right here, which is a good thing because gold has been dropping since March. You can see from here it's been dropping. Now here, that's where we saw a change and it went up again. Just for a reference, if we look back, you would see exactly why gold had to retrace on this area. If we look back, this is what happened here. I think this is one of the videos that I uploaded in the year 2020, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, 2021. So we can see here that this area is sensitive. Gold failed here, it failed again here, it failed again here, and this year it failed also on the very same level. This is what we have for gold right now. Let's switch to a 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, we have something like this. And I'll mark this one right here just to get a direction. Cool. And also we can see here that the market is now like giving us this type of a channel there, which to me it could confirm that although the market is bullish currently and it just broke out of this channel right here, but to me seems like we are expecting a retracement at least up until this area before we can continue with our moves to the upside. So this is the main target right here if we continue with this move to the upside. So I'll be targeting at this area, but if that's not gonna happen, obviously we might come back again to this area right here. So for now, I'll be waiting for moves to the downside. This moves right here. I'll just keep on monitoring at least when the market reaches this area. Then I'm selling. From there, I'll target my profits here. Now, reason why I'm saying I'll sell on that area, if we look back again, as I say, we have to keep on looking back on what happened. So we can see right here that we have this. The market rejected here, also rejected here, and same thing might happen also again here. We'll just wait and see what's going to happen. But should the market fail or should the market succeed going up, then this is what I'm expecting to see. Another correction around this area, a continuation, correction, and then another continuation to the upside. So my entry on this one would be here once I see a rejection candlestick, stop loss here, and then my take profit here. So I don't even need to go to a smaller time frame because it's very clear for me right now. So I'll just leave it and go to the next pair. On the screen right now I have GBPUSD and I've already done my analysis. So to make the video short and not long, I'm just going to explain what is happening on the screen. So I didn't even start on a bigger time frame because it's very clear to me the move that I'm expecting right here. At first I have this channel. You can see first touch here, second touch, and we are expecting a third touch around these areas before we continue with the moves to the upside. So the opposing trend line is this one right here. We only have a touch there and second touch here. Perhaps when the market goes up, we might have a third touch around those areas right here, around these areas right here. But for now, we are waiting to see if the market is going down, and once it's down, waiting to see if it's just going to bounce on this or break. If the market breaks, then we can expect something like this again. before we can expect moves to the upside. Switching to an hour time frame, we have something like this. As you can see, I just did that, pointed an arrow to the downside because that's what I'm waiting. And once the market reaches this area, that's where I'm going to get my entry. So I will expect to go in somewhere here, and then my stop loss would be somewhere around this area right here. We'll continue with this move to the upside up until this area right there. Simple and straightforward. So let's move to the last pair. On the screen right now, I have USDCHF, and this is the last pair that we're going to look at tonight. So we have this analysis already, and I'm not going to delete them. So let's look back. When we look back, we could spot this area right here. This is where the market rejected, and then currently the market is on the very same level again. We have our touch here, and then the market is there on the second touch again right now. We have the opposing trend line, which was giving us an expanding channel. So we have another trend line inside, which is giving us a contracting channel. Either way, we are here now at a support area where we are expecting to see the market going up again. So let us move to a smaller time frame, and on a 4-hour time frame, I realized that the market is kind of like giving me an inverse head and shoulder. So we can see here, I'm expecting the market to come here, get back here again, then a continuation to the upside, just like that. So let's switch to an hour time frame so that you can see that clearly. We can see we have this move to the downside, a head again here, a shoulder. So I'm just going to wait up until we break this area, and once we break this area, that's when I can take my buys. So I'll enter here, my stop loss will be just below that, and then I will have that position to the place where I started drawing my head and shoulder pattern. So that will be there. If you have made it up until this very end, be sure you hit that like button. Let me know down there in the comment section what you feel about this video, and also let me know what you see on this pairs that I just analyzed. It's your boy Ernest Mampana, and I will see you on the next video.